morning students. Today in rational numbers, insertion between two rational numbers, how to insert rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Okay, inserting rational numbers between two given rational numbers. What is a rational number? Numbers which can be written in the form of p by q or a by b, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0, is called a rational number. Now, if a and b are two rational numbers, then a plus b by 2, take the average of two given rational numbers. A plus b by 2 is also a rational number, and its value lies between a and b. See, here I have written a less than a plus b by 2 less than b. A plus b by 2 is nothing but average of mean of arithmetic mean of a and b, and it lies between a and b. For example, you see the question, insert one rational number between 2 and 3. In fact, between two rational numbers, there exists infinite rational numbers. For example, you consider 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3, we have 2.5. Between 2 and 2.5, so many will be there, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. Again between 2.1 and 2.2, there will be 2.01, 2.02, like that. So there exists infinite rational numbers, unlimited number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. So that property is called dense property. Between two rational numbers, there exists infinite rational numbers. That is called dense property. Dense property. Dense property. Remember this. There exists infinite rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Now I am going to insert one rational number between 2 and 3. Okay, the rational number between 2 and 3 is, what did I tell you, between a and b, what is the value? A plus b by 2. So we are given 2 and 3. So can I take 2 plus 3 by 2? This is called mean method. I am inserting rational numbers between two rational numbers. That method is called the mean method. There is another method also, I will tell you later. So between 2 and 3, I have one rational number, that is 5 by 2. Therefore, what is the rational number between 2 and 3? Only one rational number here, 5 by 2. Okay, there exists unlimited number of rational numbers between 2 and 3. One of the rational numbers is 5 by 2. So between, therefore, one rational number between two and 3 is 5 by 2. One of the infinite rational numbers is 5 by 2 or 2.5. Okay, terminating decimals also rational numbers only. Now insert two rational numbers between 7 and 8. Between 7 and 8, how many rational numbers are there? Unlimited number of rational numbers are there. So I am inserting two rational numbers here. Between, given numbers are what? Given numbers are 7 and 8. So first I take between 7 and 8. Can I take 7 plus 8 by 2? Between 7 and 8. Can I take 7 plus 8 by 2? That is 7 comma 15 by 2 means 7.5. So between 7 and 8 I got one rational number, that is 7.5. Again 7 and 7.5. Between one more rational number will be there. What is that? 7 comma 7 plus 7.5 by 2. Between these two I am finding. So this 2 as this I am writing. Between 7 and 7.5 I have one rational number. Of course infinite are there. 7 plus 7.5 by 2 by our mean method. 7 comma 7 plus 7.5 14.5. That means 7.25. Half of 14.5. Okay, 7.5. Now between 7 and 8 I got two rational numbers. See, what are the rational numbers? 7.25 and 7.5. Okay, therefore the required, here I am writing, the required rational, two rational numbers, required two rational numbers between 7 and 8 are 7.25 and 7.5. There exists infinite number of rational numbers between two rational numbers. Out of those rational numbers I am taking only 2 since the question is asked. Now I want to find the three rational numbers. How? Same method, mean method I am going to use. Given numbers are 3 and 4, right? Between 3 and 4 I can take one value 3 plus 4 by 2, is it not? Between 3 and 4 mean method 3 plus 4 by 2, that means 7 by 2. Can I take 3.5? Okay, 3 comma 3.5 comma 4. Between 3 and 3.5 I will find 1. 3.5 and 4 I will find 1. Okay, so 3 comma between 3 and this 3 plus 3.5 by 2 comma 3.5. Okay, between 3.5 and 4 I can take 3.5 plus 4 by 2 comma 4. So I am inserting one between 3 comma 3.5, other rational number between 3.5 and 4. Anywhere you can do it, no problem, because answers will be different. 6.5 means 3.25 comma 3.5 comma, that is 7.5. 7.5 means 3.75, right? 2 3s are 6. 3.75 comma 4. Is it not? Between 3 and 3.5 I have 3.25. Between 3.5 and 4 I have 3.75, right? So those three are the required rational numbers. This is not the unique answer. You may get different answers, but one of the three of the infinite rational numbers I am finding. Okay, therefore the required three rational numbers between 3 and 4 are 3.25 comma 3.5 and 3.75. Okay, this way we can find the unlimited number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers, and this property is called dense property. Remember this. Hope it is clear. Thank you.